Alright, just made it to the spot. I came to Stepping Stone. I love Stepping Stone. I've been coming here for a while as I grew up in Portland. But they're open till like 3 a.m. I'm sure you guys have heard of them on like Man vs. Food. They have the man cakes, which are like the size of your head. Probably even bigger, honestly. Anyway, pop in there. Have a good time.
Sometimes I wonder if baby you think about me. She's glowing like a star, shining like a diamond, glowing like a star.
Some camera things.
Dude, but they're tight because they're like heavy duty.
Oh,
finally broke it off.
No, yeah, dude, that's on there. That's on there.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, that's on there, man. Wait, so what's up with your tires?
See? Look how flat that is. That's
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, these were bad driving on the way up here because every corner I would take, it just traction control turns on. And it's like, I ain't getting grip through these corners.
Damn, dude.
At like 70, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, I like normal.
But yeah.
Speed says 35, I think 70.
To my house. Let's wrap this hard top, not hood, dude. I've been saying hood all day.
Hard top, that's what I said.
Yeah.
I said hard top, I got it right.
Okay. All right. I'll see you.
There's a lot of R8s driving around here. I saw 4 on the way here.
Yeah, dude. R8s. Okay. Honestly, R8s are so achievable now. They're like 60 grand.
Are they really?
Dude, the V8 R8, you can get it for like a good condition one. You could get for like 80 grand.
Really?
Yeah.
That's super cheap.
Dude, you know, like, okay, like, honestly, I would love to have one of those. Or an i8. I just like the doors, man.
The i8's cool. That's BMW's R8, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the i8's cool. I've only seen one of those.
Alright, man. I'll cut your now.
Sometimes you wonder if baby I think about you. She's glowing like a star, shining like a diamond, glowing like a star. Ooh, she's glowing like a star, shining like a diamond, glowing like.
Good afternoon, guys. Alright, so here we are. This is the next day. I finished wrapping the hard top at like 11. AJ left around like, I think 11-ish as well. I was trimming the hard top till 12. Honestly, mistakes we made. I didn't pull into the garage because I couldn't find the keys to the other car. I don't think we used enough heat early on. This is only my second time wrapping, but here it is, guys. Doesn't look too bad. It obviously looks pretty good on camera, but we definitely messed up a couple times. There's some bubbles here and there. It's not that bad though. It looks alright. It's the same color, so whatever. We're gonna go take some pictures and probably go for a drive. I've been inside all day working on my computer, so let's go for it. Car wash, because this part is obviously super dirty. So it's got to match, and then we're gonna go take some photos. Yeah, damn, honestly, at first when I got this Miata, I thought I was taking a step backward from the Lexus, which in terms of value you could say that, yeah, most definitely, but it's kind of growing on me. I don't know. I think it's the hardtop. The hardtop really changes how the car feels. It actually feels like a real car. Honestly, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. Hard coils. Not gonna tell you guys the spring rates or what company I got them from yet, but they need to be built. So those are in the works. We'll see what type of wheels I get. I don't want to run 15s. I think I'm gonna run 16s. People say 16s are too heavy, and it kind of ruins the feel of the Miata, but I'm not building this for the track anyway, right? So, building it, scrape floors!
Scrape floors! Scrape floors!
It's the guy who just sits here and uses the mitt, but I refuse to use the brush because that shit gives you swirls. So. Clean ass, I think it's an E28. I'm gonna go talk to him because you guys gotta see this. Yeah, like, how long you had it?
2 years already, man.
Damn, dude. It's so clean. Like, I saw it from over there in the distance and I was like, wow. Are these BBS's?
Yeah, BBS RS.
Nice. Are these the, yeah, these are the 3-piece. Oh, damn. Okay, nice, dude.
Used to be refurbished, but they do for now.
Yeah. Is this a 535i?
52080.
528. Okay. Damn, dude. Yeah. Looks super clean.
Now, semi-project, but not really.
Semi-project. Yeah.
Kind of restoring the lights and all that on there.
Yeah.
So, what else? Just doing a bunch of other little
Small
fixes in the
things.
engine. Yeah, like little leaks and shit that happen. But yeah, man, it's taking the daily, but that's pretty right.
That's clean, dude. Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah,
Well, yeah. Thank you, Eric.
Erick at Hostel.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Damn. Okay. She cleans up good. Damn. Who knew these wheels were silver? Honestly, this is the first time I've cleaned it since I got it. Sorry. Oh well. Alright. Off to the photo spot. Sorry. Why? Why though? Hello 2000s. Alright, so I mean, these views are nice. But, you know, I mean, like, they could be better if we were like a little higher up, right? Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Now, we could be higher. If anyone has the hookup to get me like up there, please let me know. I would love to do that. Or you know, up there would be nice too. I'm sure there's views on views. But yes. Oh god. There's something just about being up here and just, you know, I'm just gonna stay quiet for a minute. Just so you guys can enjoy this. I'm gonna head back down. I'm gonna go home.